The face of home ownership is changing, but the real estate industry is built upon an outdated status quo.
Historically, when we look at everything to do with buying and owning a home, it's predicated on there being a nuclear family headed by a married couple. So all of the systems, all of the institutions and processes that we've built around homeownership make this assumption, but we're seeing all kinds of demographic shifts.
Millennials are marrying later, if at all, and sometimes living with friends long-term. Matt Holmes started Co-Buy to force the real estate industry to adapt to this new generation of unconventional home buyers seeking the benefits of ownership.
Everything about the real estate industry is transactional, but if you're buying a home, to you it's not just a transaction. It's much bigger than that. All different types of people want to become homeowners. And what we're doing is presenting another option, another route to accessing homeownership.
This is a show about founders challenging the status quo.
Of all the people in the world that can work on this problem, why are you the right person for it?
When we started out, I had just moved back from London to the US and wanted to buy a place with my mom, my stepdad, and my girlfriend at the time. And we found that it was really challenging despite our backgrounds in real estate and finance. You know, we were looking at how, as a group of four, we were going to combine our resources, how we were going to make decisions on the type of home that we wanted to buy, and then what that was going to look like legally. There was kind of just no central resource. And that was kind of like a eureka moment.
Matt set out to build a company that could help every type of buyer navigate the unique challenges of co-buying, including differing down payments, ownership percentages, decision-making around repairs, and an exit plan in case one person wants to sell, but the other owners don't.
We work with friends, family members, and then we work with combinations of these different groups.
We've been friends for almost 9 years, I think.
I never thought I'd own a home. I thought I was always unattainable.
We're taking something like homeownership that a lot of people are locked out of and making it more accessible, making it simpler, making it safer, ultimately making it more affordable.
To accomplish this mission, Matt chose a co-founder close to home, but their partnership would force them to navigate difficult double standards in the startup world.
What we need to do for the app is a simple user journey flow.
Okay, that's a great place to start.
Do you agree?
Yep.
So what I'm thinking is like simple, nobody looks at you funny if you start a company with your father. And I remember one time we were in a meeting and this investor said, you know, you should never call her mom. But I think that's ridiculous. Pam is my mom. So if the worst thing they can say about us is that we're a mother and son team, hell yes. You know, we're doing something right.
As I've gotten older, I've become immune to sentiments where people are judging you because of something that just is. One of the benefits of working with family is that you can be yourself. That can also be a detriment because we're all pretty big personalities and we sometimes don't hold back.
Matt and Pam weathered double takes, snide remarks, and disrespect from investors who questioned their partnership.
When you're doing something new, there's always going to be people who dismiss you. We're proud of the fact that we're a mother and son team. We have very different experiences, and that's really powerful when you're looking at solving new problems for a broad array of people.
Hello.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, yeah.
Today, it's estimated that 1 in 4 home purchasers are co-purchasing. If it becomes more widespread, co-buying could transform the way architects design homes, how we use the too few homes we currently have, and who can access the benefits of wealth creation through home ownership.
I think there's a lot more of people like us who are millennials who doesn't necessarily want to follow that typical life trajectory.
To me, homeownership represents opportunity. In a world with so many variables that we can't control, the idea that you can have somewhere to call your own, this is really important to a lot of people. It's certainly important to me. And so now the goal is to bring this solution, this opportunity, to more people, nationwide and eventually even internationally.